Hi, I'm Michael Jacobson, Director of the Vera Institute of Justice. For 50 years, Vera has been helping government officials make the systems people rely on for justice, from police and courts to asylum proceedings, fairer and more effective. Vera is not an advocacy group. We are a non-partisan organization that believes most government officials, whatever their politics, want to make their systems work better. We help them by partnering with these officials and providing the research, technical assistance, planning, and demonstration projects, and when necessary, other innovations that they need to realize their vision for improvement. And we're able to do all this because all of our work is based on data and hard evidence, areas in which we excel. Thanks to Vera innovations over the past 5 decades, far fewer people languish in jail awaiting trial simply because they cannot afford bail. Court systems no longer routinely ignore the needs of crime victims. There is now widespread recognition that jails and prisons are not solely responsible for responding to people with mental health and substance issues, and so much more. Our current work includes helping New York State reduce costly juvenile incarceration and, at the same time, improve the future of young offenders. Working across America to help those who serve either victims of domestic violence or people with disabilities to learn from each other, so that women with disabilities have access to life-saving services. Eliminating bottlenecks in immigration proceedings that cause people seeking asylum to spend unnecessary time in detention at great government expense. Helping the United Nations develop tools to gauge the effectiveness of justice institutions in countries like Haiti and Liberia, which are emerging from periods of conflict. Whatever your political inclination, you know that government is an essential part of our world. You also know that achieving real justice in any endeavor is a tall order. Vera is a unique and essential resource that has the tools, the expertise, and the experience governments need in order to be able to do what they have to do better. The lives of hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people have been improved as a result of our efforts. And yet there is so much more to be done. We're in a special moment in history now. The current budget crisis is compelling criminal justice officials across the United States, at local, state, and federal levels, to want to reform their systems. But they don't have the money, and we lack the capacity to meet this broad and huge demand. Given more funding right now, we could effect widespread, lasting change that would result in a criminal justice system that is fairer, less expensive, and more effective in protecting public safety.